Okay, so start a task, working on your tables. I would like you to come up with as many different ways a sponsor could support a sports performer. And a little tip, try and think about individual sports rather than team sports. Okay, so let's see if you've come up with a few which I've got. First one, they could help them with travel. Okay, secondly, they could support them with competition entry fees. Okay, they could help them with, let's have a think, they could help them with, if they're travelling abroad, they could help them with accommodation. Okay, if they're having to play far away from where they live. Okay, they could help them with coaching. Okay, so you might bring in a coach to support you. They may support them with supplements, okay, or nutrition, food and nutrition. We could help them with things like that. We could also help them with, and the biggest one probably, which a lot of performers would need, would be a finance in terms of a wage. Okay, so we could help them with providing them with money.